Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is ASAD YAQUB and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach IELTS here. Once again, I welcome you all from Second Cup Express Highway, Murray, and I'm sitting here sipping coffee and making IELTS videos for you. Well, this is the second video on IELTS letter writing. It's gender training IELTS, and gender training IELTS task 1 is letter writing. I'm going to teach you some phrases which are commonly used in letter writing, and if you use these phrases wisely, they can improve your bench score as well. So let's take a start. Okay. Now these are the phrases which you can use in business letters. Business letter means you're writing a letter to a company, you're writing a letter to an organization, you're writing a letter to any colleague, not colleague, but maybe you're writing a letter of complaint. You bought something from a company and then the goods were faulty. So there you can write this type of letter. Now let's take a start. The first sentence is, I'm writing in regard to. Remember one thing, the first paragraph of your letter is who you are and why are you writing. So who you are is your introduction. Now introduction doesn't mean your name. It means actually I'm the customer of your company, or I'm a regular client of your services. This is who you are. And why are you writing? There you can use this phrase, I am writing in regard to, and then you can mention that. For example, I'm writing in regard to the computer I bought at your store. I'm writing in regard to like a mobile I bought from your store. Is that clear? Okay, let's go on. Next, if you're writing a letter of thanks or letter of appreciation, there you can mention, I'm writing to thank you for. I am writing to thank you for the great customer service, right, or something like that. Or you can say, I'm writing in reply to your letter. Somebody wrote you a letter and you got to reply that letter, then you write, I'm writing in reply to your letter. The next, if you want to mention the reason of writing, you can simply say, the reason I'm writing to you is, and then you can mention that very reason. Now let me tell you, you're not going to use all these phrases in your letter, but you're going to use some phrases very wisely. And by the way, these are the sentence starters that can improve your bench score if you use them appropriately. Next, if it's a letter you're writing to somebody you met, then you can write this phrase, it was a pleasure meeting you recently. It was a pleasure meeting you recently. Or, I would like to express our gratitude for all your hard work. Or, I would like to express my gratitude for the great help you rendered me last week, like that. I regret to inform you that. Now you're writing a letter, it can be a letter of complaint, and there you can write this phrase, I regret to inform you that, and then you just write whatever your regret is and what you want to inform them. Next, you can write, I have enclosed our most recent brochure on equipment for our attention. But in IELTS, they don't write this type of letters. Please find enclosed the price list you requested. So if there is anything you need to enclose or you need to attach with your letter, for that you can say, please find enclosed the price list you requested. I hope that you will find it interesting. Okay. Should you find those arrangements acceptable, I will draw up a contract immediately. These are some very business phrases. We don't use them in our letters, by the way. Yes, the next can be, I hope that these changes will not cause you too much inconvenience. Or, I hope that these suggestions will prove to be of some assistance. I would be pleased to offer any additional advice you may require. Or you can say, in case of any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. In case of any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Or please do not hesitate to contact me should you require further information. There can be any topic for letter writing where you need to answer and you got to write these phrases. Now, the most important phrase which you must use at the end of a formal letter. Remember, whenever you write a formal letter, at the end of that formal letter, there is a phrase you must use, and that phrase is, I look forward to. I look forward to hearing from you if you need your answer. If you want the answer of the letter, then you can write, I look forward to hearing from you, but don't write it everywhere that I look forward to hearing from you. Hearing is only possible when you are expecting an answer. Otherwise, if you are expecting a meeting, then you can say I look forward to meeting you. Right? If you need a favorable response from somebody, you can say I look forward to your favorable response. I look forward to your cooperation. I look forward to your suggestion. I look forward to, and then according to the situation you must add a verb there. And at the end of a formal letter you must write yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, yours Y capital, faithfully F capital, comma, and below that you can write your name. So these were some phrases which you can write in business letter, especially in formal letter. Now the thing is this, you need to practice these phrases. I would advise you to write all these phrases on a piece of paper and then try to practice them. Use them in your letters appropriately, and once you use them, definitely your letters will look more professional and that will give you good bench score. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, ASAD YAQUB Vlogs. You can subscribe to that channel as well. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. ASAD YAQUB wishes you all the best from Express Highway Murray, and this is Second Cup, a beautiful, wonderful cafeteria where I'm sitting, sipping and making these videos for you. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Cheers.